First order up is a Starbucks. This is $8 going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Next order is another Starbucks. This one is $9 going 6 miles. Next up is a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $7 going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a Starbucks, $7 going 3 miles. Still on my way to Starbucks, and they just gave me an add-on order. This is Burger King, $7 going an extra 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
Amazing.
You too. Morning. Have a good one. Got this next order pretty much right away. It is a Seize the Bagel, $10 going 6.5 miles. There you are.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you.
You have a good one. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10 going 6 miles, 4 items. Got this order as I was dropping off. It is going back to Safeway. This is $8 going 2 miles, only 1 item, but it is flowers, so this could go 50-50. I hate shopping for flowers because they never have what they want, and most of the time they just don't even reply when I'm asking for substitutes.
Alright, I'll see ya. Hopefully I'll wake up at some point.
Cameron to the break room. Cameron to the break room.
Can't believe they actually had it. And probably one of my quickest flower pickups ever. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 1.5 miles.
Perfect. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. It says, the house with a lot of cars. You won't miss it. Okay, I may have missed it, but that's on me. I missed the turn. Yep, it's a lot of cars. Next up, we've got 2 shop and deliver orders, 2 different stores, 2 different customers. We've got Target and Safeway, $12 going 6 miles, 5 items. About to pull up to Safeway, and they gave me an add-on order. This is, I think this one's alcohol. This one is $6 and change going an extra mile, only 1 item.
I know it's still kind of a ways off, but we had it for a lot longer.
The other order isn't popping up, so it must be a different store actually. Or not, it just wasn't showing up. Just one of these Vitalis.
Yeah. Premium liquor cabinet number 1. Cleared.
Ready for you?
Yeah, just that one. This would be on the top floor. I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes now. I just need one decent order and I'll be happy with the day. We're so far ahead of schedule. Like, just give me one decent order to close it out. Okay, this order is kind of trash, to be honest, but it is taking me closer to home, so I'm just gonna take it and then call it a day afterwards. This is a Chick-fil-A, $13 going 9 miles.
It's like, we're doing a rack.
Oh, I just love not having any service. Can't even complete the order. Okay, it finally let me complete the order and we're gonna call it here because I am starving. Current time is 9:39. Total ended up with 112. Keep in mind, we were at 99 like at 8:50 something. It just took forever to get that last order and it was a long drive, so that didn't help. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.